everyone, my name is Leon and welcome to another video. I make content every single day based around video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if you are interested, then be sure to subscribe with the bell on. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you basically how to add a subscribe button to your videos in Premiere Pro. So without any further hesitation, let's jump into it. Okay everyone, so on the screen is Premiere Pro and this is the particular clip I've chosen to use for this. So pretty much just drag that onto the timeline, go to the Essential Graphics tab and scroll down. And by the way, this does actually require Envato elements, so yeah, this doesn't come cheap or free or anything. Well, they have a monthly subscription, but I'll leave Envato elements in the description down below so that you can check it out and obviously get this subscribe template. Oh, well, yeah. So let me just scroll down until I find it, and as you can see, you're met with this, like a whole bunch of subscribe buttons. My top favourite is this one. I don't know why, I just like it. But yeah, so just drag that onto the timeline again, on top of it, on top of the layer. Okay, so now it's loaded in the template, even though it's not shown on the preview monitor, the preview screen. Ignore this, by the way, unless you actually have the font. But even if you have the font, it still shows this error. Anyway, so just let's click play. That's not going to work because I just don't want OBS to lag. And there we are. There's the subscribe button. Now obviously that we don't want that font, right? So come to Essential Graphics again and come to the Edit tab and click on the actual template. And now you got these customizable options. So you can customize the fire as well. So let's say you wanted to add blue, whatever you see, whatever color you wish to use. And you can obviously, I don't understand that, you can add two colors, a bit weird. And you can add, obviously, that's the text right there, so that's the element I'm going to assume. And the frame color is obviously the red background. And this, obviously, you can edit the text, and yeah. So I'm going to go with Gotham Black, as it's my favorite font for all you Batman fans. And obviously this is how it looks. Now you can actually increase the size of it, so basically just put it on the screen, right there, whatever you see fit essentially. And that's essentially it. Okay everyone, so that is how you add a subscribe button to your videos in Premiere Pro. If you found this video valuable, then be sure to subscribe with the bell on for more videos. Leave a thumbs up and share the video around to boost its search rankings and help the channel grow much bigger. And leave any questions or feedback you have down in the comment section, or message me via Instagram, Snapchat or Twitter. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care everybody.